GHQME No Assembly Folding Bookshelf Storage Shelves 4 Tiers Vintage Multifunctional Plant Flower Stand Storage Rack Shelves Bookcase for Home Office, White. Foldable Designed. The GHQME bookshelf can be folded freely. You can fold or unfold it in a few seconds without any assembly. With its foldable design, it only takes up a small space, which can save your space. Simplicity and practical bookshelf, it is of industrial style design with simplicity and retro, which can not only make your room in good order, but also occupy few space. You can put it in any space of your home, such as living room, bedroom, corridor, kitchen, balcony, etc. You can display your family photos, plants, decorative ornaments, books, and so on through the 4-tier shelf. Solid bookshelf of industrial styled, 4-tier open high-quality shelf matched with iron metal frame, absolutely stable structure, strong and durable. Also, behind each shelf, a 0.79-inch wide metal crossbar is installed, which consolidates the structural stability of the shelf again and is able to protect your items perfectly. With this elaborate design, GHQME bookshelf will never shake like other cheap bookshelves. Perfect space sized, the bookshelf is 23.62 x 11.61 x 49.8 inches, 60 x 29.5 x 126.5 centimeters, when expanded, and 23.62 x 2.2 x 53.7 inches, 60 x 5.5 x 136.5 centimeters, after folded. The space between two shelves is 12.68 inches, so that limited space can be made full use of to store anything you want to collect and display. Excellent after-sales service. If you should receive any damage or defect, please contact us immediately. We will provide you with 100% refund or resend quality products, so please contact us immediately. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.